When your diesel particulate filter warning light comes on, or you notice reduced power or increased fuel consumption, you should try Nulon DPF Cleaner and Regenerator. Nulon DPF Cleaner and Regenerator uses the latest iron-based technology that cleans, regenerates, and helps prevent DPF systems going into limp mode. The advanced additive technology works by actively lowering the ignition point of diesel soot accumulated in the DPF to burn it off more easily and help keep it clean. Now, it's suitable for all DPF filter types and is ideal for vehicles doing stop-start driving where the DPF doesn't reach high enough temperatures for full regeneration. Simple to use as part of a regular maintenance routine. Add 1 bottle every 5,000 kilometres to 60 litres of diesel fuel prior to filling. Overtreatment will not cause any damage. If your first level DPF warning light is on, add 300 ml to 30 litres of fuel and continue to drive. Try Nulon DPF Cleaner and Regenerator and feel the difference.